Hi everyone, my name is Shirley Avila. I am the owner of Clean Healthy Skin by Shirley out of Costa Mesa, California. And I wanted to tell you about one of my favorite modalities in my facial room. This is the FDA cleared MyoLift microcurrent. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it over here so you can go ahead and see what I'm talking about here. It is on my treatment table here. And so this is the MyoLift microcurrent. It uses true low-level frequency, which is less than 1/1,000,000th of an amp. It is, like I said, FDA cleared, and it's used to lengthen or shorten the facial muscles. It works in perfect harmony with the body's own electrical system. It's non-invasive, does not hurt, and requires no downtime. This mighty little machine is a perfect tool for boosting ATP for anti-aging, cellular repair, muscle re-education, skin firmness and tightness, and best of all, it's cost-effective and portable for estheticians. 70 Wellness also has amazing skincare to help you in the facial protocols, as well as little masks, which are the eye masks and the lip masks. You have the ATP Booster Mask, Replenish Misting Spray, and 3 conductive gels to help. Each have their own benefits. To learn more about this amazing product line, visit www.7ewellness.com. So I wanted to show you that these are the probes that is used to either lengthen or shorten the muscles. It has an on and off switch here. This is where you would plug in your lead wire. And this is the little power button. This is to go ahead and it recharges. So as you can see, there's no wires connected to it here. This is your on and off button. This is where you are going to either do long or short movements, your length of time and intensity. This is the lead wires that connect to either the eye mask or their cool little lip mask. And when you get your masks, it comes with a set of instructions, and you can either do it as a 5-minute or as a 20-minute. So these here would plug into these here. Okay. And so what you would do is this is the misting spray replenish. This is the ATP Booster Mask, which is amazing for anti-aging, for collagen production. It smells insanely delicious. And then this is just one of the 3 of the bioactive conductive gels. And this you would use as you're in sections. So you would use it as you're going in sections of your microcurrent. Again, if you are interested in any of these products, go on to www.7ewellness.com and create your pro account.